So now we will start with sine and cosine series. So we can tell it is the summation. Sine and cosine series meaning summation. So sine and cosine series meaning summation. So summation of sine and cosine series. Before we start, I think we should be waiting for few seconds for all other people to join it. We should sit for a little time. So waiting for people to join. Okay. So waiting for few seconds. Okay, waiting for few seconds and then we can begin. I think we are ready to begin. Okay. We are ready to begin. So we are told that if we are given to find sine alpha plus sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha plus 2 beta, sine alpha plus 3 beta plus dot 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 sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta. What will it be? For our understanding, we will first write it is going to be sine n beta by 2 divided by sine beta by 2 is sine alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. Okay, so what will we do? We'll do two proof, and then we have proof. Okay, let's catch some other color. Okay, we have taken some other color. We'll consider this S is equal to sine alpha plus sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha plus 2 beta plus dot 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 sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta. Okay, multiply with sine beta by 2 both the sides. Both the sides, okay. So it is s into sine beta by 2 equal to sine alpha sine beta by 2 plus sine alpha plus beta sine beta by 2 plus sine alpha plus 2 beta into sine beta by 2 plus dot dot plus sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta into sine beta by 2. If we multiply with 2 again, 2 sine alpha beta, it will come out to be 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, for every line to be visible, I am going to use sine B formula. So it is sine, it is not sine, it is cos. Sine C into sine D is in the form of cos. Yes, it is in the form of cos. So it will come out to be cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus 3 beta by 2. So similarly it will go on opening. So you want me to show you one more, okay? So it is alpha plus 3 beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus 5 beta by 2. It is going with dot dot dot, and for this one we have cos alpha plus 2n minus 3 beta by 2, okay, minus cos alpha plus 2n minus 1 beta by 2. So to make every line visible, I am just changing the color, okay, so don't worry. If you see, this is going to get cancelled with this is going to be cancelled with this, further this will get cancelled, and this will get cancelled. So we are left with the first one and the last one. Okay, we are left with the first one and the last one. So it is cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus 2n minus 1 beta by 2. Cos c minus cos t is nothing but 2 sine. So sine a plus b. Okay, it is a plus b. So alpha a plus b is 2 alpha plus 2n minus 2 beta by 2, a 2 alpha, oh, this is whole divided by 2, and we have sine a minus b, a plus b, sine a plus b by 2, a minus b by 2, or sine d minus c, d minus c by 2. So d minus c is nothing but n beta 2n beta by 4. This is what we are going to get. Further going, we can say that it is nothing but 2s sine beta by 2 is 2 sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2 into sine n beta by 2, dividing both the side with 2 sine beta by 2, summation is equal to sine n beta by 2 sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2 whole divided by sine beta by 2. So this is the final result for the sine. Similarly, if you would like to do for cos, we'll do it, okay? Similarly, if you want to go through cos, we can go. If we have summation s equal to cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus alpha plus beta, okay? Cos alpha plus 2 beta, cos alpha plus 3 beta plus dot dot plus cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta. So we will say that it is equal to sine n beta by 2 sine beta by 2 into cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. So if you want the proof, multiply both the sides with 2 sine beta by 2. Multiply both the sides with 2 sine beta by 2 and then solve. We'll get this proof. Okay. So now what? We will have few questions on that. This is the question. First, I wanted to give you the note. Sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Sum of the exterior angle of regular polygon is 2 pi. Sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So by picture if you see, so this is 2 pi by n. Okay, so this is first one. Second one, the value of one regular exterior angle is 2 pi n. Third, the value of one interior angle is equal to pi minus 2 pi by n. You can see that pi n minus 2 by n. Okay, and fourth, sum of interior angle is equal to pi into n minus 2. Okay, okay, these are few notes. So now we have some solution. We are told that phi is the exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side. So phi is 2 pi by n and theta is constant. Then prove that sine theta plus. So we can see that plus sine theta plus phi plus sine theta plus 2 phi plus dot 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 up to n terms is sine n. Beta is what? Beta is here phi. Sine n beta by 2 sine beta by 2 cos. If it is sine, there won't be cos, it will be sine only. Okay. Sine, there is sine theta plus n minus 1 phi by 2. Okay. Theta plus alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. So if we go with sine n phi by 2, sine n phi by 2 is pi. And we have other terms also. Other terms like theta plus n minus 1 phi by 2 divided by sine pi by n. So we know that sine pi is 0. So the answer is 0. We got the proof. Okay, we got the proof. Now we have few question solving skills available with us. With us, we have some question solving skills. Let's try it. Question number 1. So we have sine theta plus 2 theta plus sine theta plus 4 theta plus dot plus sine theta plus 2n minus 2 theta. If you go by formula, alpha is theta, beta is 2 theta. We have n equal to n minus 1. The n which is in the formula, it is n minus 1. So we have simply sine n beta by 2, sine n beta by 2, sine n beta by 2, sine alpha plus n minus 1, which is n minus 1 is n minus 2, beta by 2, that means theta, upon sine beta by 2, which is theta. If you go, it is sine n theta sine n minus 1 theta. Okay, what should we do? 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 4. So we have n only, n is n only. So we have n minus 1 here. So we have n only upon sine theta. We can see that it is nothing but sine square n theta upon sine theta. Okay, so we have proved. Second one. Second one, find the average value of. So average value is sine 2 degree, sine 4 degree could be written as 2 degree plus 2 degree, sine 6 degree could be written as sine 2 degree plus 4 degree. It is dot dot plus sine 2 degree plus 178 degree. Since we are doing average, average is what? How much? Average is capital number, total number. So it is 0, 1, 2. This is 89, which is 90. So total numbers are 90. So we can do sine and beta by 2, which is 1 degree, sine alpha plus n minus 1, beta by 2, which is 1 degree, upon sine beta by 2, 1 degree. This is sine 90, this is sine 91, and we have sine 1 degree. So if we consider it is nothing but sine 90 plus 1 cos 1, we can say cot 1 degree. Do we have some space? Yes, we have some space. I would say that solve question number 3. Question number for 3 you can solve, or you want me to take this as an example. I am ready to take. Okay, I am ready to take this as an example. So I am ready to take this as an example. Okay. Moving next. Normally put in the formula. Can't we put in the formula? So moving to next slide, okay. The question number third we can have like this. Question number third we can have something like this. Cos pi by 11 plus cos 3 pi by 11 plus cos 5 pi by 11 plus cos 7 pi by 11 plus cos 9 pi by 11. So if you consider alpha is equal to pi by 11, so what we are doing is that we are mapping this question to the number. Beta is 2 pi by 11 and capital small n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see the difference is 2 pi by 11 in every number. So we have 5. Now, formula is what? Sine and beta by 2 is pi by 11 cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2 whole divided by sine beta by 2 sine 5 pi by 11 dot cos 5 by 11 5 pi by 11 and at the bottom we have sine pi by 11 multiply 2 divide 2 we are getting sine 10 pi by 11 sine 10 pi by 11 to sine pi by 11. If you see this is nothing but sine pi minus pi by 11 whole divided by sine pi by 11. I think you consider that this and this will get cancelled. We are going to get 1 by 2. Okay. This question I could think that you can solve it. Solve it using cos alpha plus 2 beta plus cos alpha plus 2 beta plus dot which will go as sine and beta by 2. In this case you don't have to find n because we are already told n is total number of terms are n sine beta by 2 cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2 here alpha is pi by 2n plus 1 beta is 2 pi by 2n plus 1. If you put here this sine n beta by 2 is nothing but n, and beta by 2 is pi upon 2n plus 1 into cos alpha is pi by 2n plus 1 plus n is n only, and beta by 2 is pi by 2n plus 1 whole divided by sine beta by 2 pi by 2n plus 1. This is sine n pi by 2n plus 1. This is cos n pi by 2n plus 1 whole divided by sine pi by 2n plus 1 multiply with 2 divide with 2. This is sine 2n pi by 2n plus 1 whole divided by 2 sine pi upon 2n plus 1. So I think if you add this angle and this angle, we are going to get pi. So overall, if you cancel it, it is 1 by 2. Got it? Let's move ahead. This question I expect you all to solve. This question I am helping you to solve. We know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So it is 1 minus cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 plus 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 2 plus 1 minus cos 6 theta divided by 2 plus dot 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 plus 1 minus cos 2n theta by 2. We can see that 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is getting repeated n time. 1, 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 n ja n. So can we say it is nothing but n by 2 minus. Now here if we see alpha is 2 theta and beta is 2 theta, because there is gap of 2 theta between everyone, and n is equal to n. So if you write this, it is sine n beta by 2 is 2 theta, 2 theta by 2 theta upon sine beta by 2. is theta. Here we have cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2 is theta. So we can see that it is n by 2 minus sine n theta whole divided by sine theta into cos n plus 1 into theta. Okay, okay, 2 is divided by with everyone. 2 is getting dividing. 2 is dividing every number, everything. So here also 2 will come. So we got the answer. Yes, we got the answer. Now we have product of cosine angles. Okay, we have product of cosine angles. We have cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, dot dot dot, cos 2 to the power n minus 1 into A. We are told that this will be equal to 1 whole divided by 2 to the power n sine A into sine 2 to the power n into A. If you want to prove it, I would like to give you the proof. So, if you divide by 1 by 2 sine A, we will multiply with 2 sine A, and we have cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, cos 2 to the power n minus 1 into A. You will find that when we have 1, 2 to the power 1, it is sine 2 to the power 1. We will say sine 2 to the power 1 into A, and we have 2 sine A, and here we have cos 2A. If we multiply with 2 and divide by 2 again, so we are trying to do something generalized. We will not go with every number and multiply 2 2 and divide 2 2. So it is sine 2 square A by 2 square sine A, and we have cos 2 square A. This will keep on moving. We have cos 2 to the power n minus 1 into A. So if so we are going to realize that if it is 2, we are working with 2. So if it is 2 to the power n minus 1 into A, into sine A, we will be working with sine 2 to the power n minus 1 into A cos 2 to the power n minus 1 into A. We will be working. If it was 2 square, we were working on 2 square. So we'll multiply with 2 and we'll get sine 2 to the power n into A, and at the bottom we have 2 to the power n sine A. Okay, okay boss. Moving next. So I think we have solved this somewhere, or we'll solve it. We'll divide by 1 by 2 cos pi by 80. It is 2 cos pi by 18 into sine pi by 80. We have sine 3 pi by 18 sine 5 pi by 18 into sine 7 pi by 18, 1 upon 2 cos pi by 18. This is sine 2 pi by 18, and if we have sine 7 pi by 18, we can see that 7 pi by 18 will come here. We have sine 3 pi by 18 sine 5 pi by 18. So if we see theta plus alpha is pi by 2, we can say that theta is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. So this is theta, this is alpha. So pi by 2 minus alpha is cos 2 pi by 18. This is sine 2 pi by 18 whole divided by cos pi by 18. So in my few videos I have seen that I write a bit faster. So when I write a bit faster, my handwriting is not good, and when it is not good, faster and not good handwriting makes people irritate by my teaching. So if I write slow in a good handwriting, students are going to like it, isn't it? So I got this thing. So I'm improving. So I'm improving. Okay, people can just ask me some question and they can try this question. Okay, so Pixel Pro, I will include. Okay, I am going to remove that 200 rupees. Okay, soon in the next video it will be removed. Okay, okay, okay. Now, so the teaching is for every student. We are going to cover a mass number of student. Okay, a mass of student. Number of a mass student. Okay. So, Anand Andaman. Okay, wait. So Mrityunjay sir is not nearby me. Okay, he's very much down from me. Mrityunjay sir. It will take long time for him to match my level. Okay, so it is cos pi by 18. Okay, cos 2 pi by 18. We will multiply 2 and divide 2. This is sine 3 pi by 18, sine 5 pi by 18. So this is sine 4 pi. This is sine 4 pi. And we have sine 3 pi by 18, sine 5 pi by 18. We have 4 cos pi by 18 multiply 2 divide 2. So if you see 4 pi by 18, 5 pi by 18, it is going to be pi by 2. So it is cos 4 pi by 18. So if you try to solve it, it is cos sine 4 cos 4 sine 8 pi by 18 sine 8 pi by 18, and we could not use sine 3 pi by 7 in it. Sine 3 pi by 18 we could not use anywhere. This is 8 cos pi by 18. Okay, so we could not use sine 3 pi by 18. This is a miracle. We could not use. So we'll have to see it. Okay, let's see. So, sine 3 pi by 18 could not be used anywhere. We could not use it. Okay. Okay, wait. 8 pi by 18. So this 3 pi by 18 is not going to be used anywhere. Wait, let's see. If we multiply with 2, divide with 2. This is 8 pi by 18 plus 5 pi by 18. This is cos cancel. We are simply getting sine 3 pi by 18 upon 8. Okay, everyone. Your homework is to check where have I done some mistake. I have done some mistake somewhere. Your homework is to check that. 5, 3, 8, 2, 4, 5. वेयर आई हैव डन सम मिस्टेक। आप लोगों का काम है कि ये मिस्टेक खोजिए, ये आपका होमवर्क रहा। दिस इज योर होमवर्क। और कॉस में अगर साइन 2 पाई बाय 7 से डिवाइड करें तो साइन 4 साइन 8 एंड 8 सो ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन रहा। ये भी सिंपल क्वेश्चन रह गया। 2 4 8 8 पाई बाय 11 हो गया। और फिर क्या हो गया, ये भी 8 पाई बाय 11 हो गया। तो 16 5 पाई बाय 7। ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। ये सब होमवर्क में करना है, कृपया होमवर्क में करें। ओके, ये सब कृपया होमवर्क में करें, क्योंकि मैं आई टुक लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बहुत ज्यादा, जरूरत से ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल लिए। आई हैव टेकन मोर एग्जाम्पल्स। जरूरत से ज्यादा मैंने एग्जाम्पल लिया। ओके, तो रेंज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक्सप्रेशन। अब ये है रेंज ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक्सप्रेशन। सो इन दिस वी हैव मल्टीपल प्रोफाइल्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन फॉलोइंग। ओके, एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एक्सप्रेशन दिया है, उसका रेंज क्या है, उसका मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, मिनिमम वैल्यू, ये सब क्या है, ये हमें बताना है ना। तो इसके अलग अलग टाइप हैं। पहले ये टाइप आप जान लें, अलग अलग टाइप है। जैसे आपके पास कोई एक्सप्रेशन है, वो दिया गया है ए कॉस थीटा प्लस बी साइन थीटा। तो इस एक्सप्रेशन में क्या करेंगे, हम लोग एक ट्रायंगल कंसीडर करेंगे, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। और उस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में अगर ये ए दिया है ना, तो एक ए माने और एक बी माने, तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के अनुसार ये ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर होता है। तो अगर हम डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर करें, तो ये होता है ए रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर कॉस थीटा प्लस बी बाय रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर साइन थीटा। तो अगर देखें तो ये हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कि ये एंगल अल्फा है। तो क्या हम बोल सकते हैं कि कॉस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू बी अपॉन रूट अंडर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। सिमिलरली क्या हम बोल सकते हैं साइन अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ए अपॉन रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। क्या ये हम बोल सकते हैं? सो स्लो टीचिंग में लोगों को फीलिंग आएगा, पीपल विल गेट फीलिंग। ओके, So what will happen? This is root under a square plus b square, and a by root under a square is sine alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sin theta. We can tell it root under a square plus b square. Sin alpha plus cos theta is sin alpha plus theta. Up. Now sin ax is between -1 to 1. If you remember the graph, the maximum value was 1 and the minimum value was -1. Okay, so sin alpha plus theta will also be between -1 to 1 for different value of alpha plus theta. Yes, the maximum value will go to 1 and minimum will be -1. Okay, because the range of this will be varying from minus infinity to infinity. So if you multiply root under a square plus b square, which is positive term, multiplying positive term to sine alpha plus theta will go to root under a square plus b square, and this is going to be minus root under a square plus b square. So we can say that the range is from minus root a square plus b square to root under a square plus b square. This is the type 1. We will have three different types. Moving next. Okay, this is what we have. Type 1 falls into a cos theta plus b sin theta things. Okay, it falls there. अब दूसरा सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना. If alpha plus beta is 90 degree, then the maximum value of sin alpha sin beta. We will consider E equal to sin alpha sin beta. Okay. Now can we write it as sin alpha sin 90 degree minus alpha? Can we write beta as 90 degree minus alpha? Can we say that it is sin alpha cos alpha? Similarly, if you divide and multiply by 2, can we say that it is 1 by 2? 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha. If you remember, this is going to be from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, because we know that sin x is between minus 1 to 1. This is what we know. So if you multiply 1 by 2, it is from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Okay. So second one, if we consider this expression as E equal to 1 plus 2 sin x plus 3 cos square x. So this is the type 2. We'll solve this question. First we'll go to type 2. Yes, this is falling in type 2. So we'll take this example. First I am going like sin. Type 2 is E equal to some number n plus alpha cos theta plus beta sin square theta. If we have such type of things, if we have such expressions, if we have such expressions, we will try to convert them into square form and then try to apply type 1 on it. Okay, so let's change the color. If E is equal to n plus alpha cos theta plus beta 1 minus sin square theta, okay, 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, we'll make it like n plus beta plus alpha cos theta minus beta cos square theta. This is n plus beta. We'll try to form this in a square form. So what will we do? We'll take minus beta out. We have cos square theta minus alpha by beta cos theta. Okay, this is n plus beta minus beta cos minus, if it is alpha by beta, we will multiply 2 and divide 2 and we have cos theta. So can we say it is 2 alpha into 1 by 2 beta? So if we add 1 by 2 beta whole square, we will subtract 1 by 2 beta whole square. This is n plus beta minus beta. If you see, this is nothing but cos theta 2ab alpha cos theta minus alpha by 2 beta whole square, and this minus will come out, it will become plus alpha square by 4 beta square into beta. There was beta, yes. Furthermore, can we say it is n plus beta minus beta cos theta minus alpha by 2 beta whole square, and we have alpha square by 2 beta. So it is n plus beta plus alpha square by 2 beta minus beta. So cos theta, we should be knowing that cos theta is between minus 1 to 1. So cos theta minus alpha by 2 beta is 1 minus alpha by 2 beta minus 1 minus alpha by 2 beta. If we square this term, it is 1 minus alpha by 2 beta whole square. Now what will happen? 1, if this is positive, positive minus positive is less than negative minus negative. So it will become 1 plus alpha, and this is going to become 0. So we can simply say that it is minus beta multiplied with 0 to 1 plus alpha plus 2 beta whole square. This is how we are solving. Like these are some values, okay. I am taking as an example. In this question, we have 1, we have 2 sin x, we have 3 minus 3 sin square x. Yes, we got 4 minus 3 sin square x minus 2 by 3 sin x. This is 4 minus 3 sin x sin square x minus 2 into 1 by 3 into sin x. Can we say it is 2ab? So we'll add 1 by 3 whole square and subtract 1 by 3 whole square. This is 4 minus 3 sin x minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3. Now it is what? 7 by 3 minus 3 sin x minus 1 by 3 whole square. So sin x minimum value is minus 1. So we can say it is 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, and maximum this will be positive, yes. And if you want to make it minimum, we will keep sin x equal to 1. No, sin x, if it is negative, if you want to make it more negative, go to negative, and if you want to make it minimum, it is 0. When it is exact 0, we will get 7 by 3. So this will come out to be 16 by 3. So you will get somewhere minus 9 by 3 to 7 by 3. because the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 1 plus alpha by 2 beta whole square. Okay, so we'll understand from here. By taking some example, we'll understand. 3 plus sin x minus 2 whole square. So minimum value is when it is 0. 3 plus square is 0. So square cannot be 0. Sin x is between minus 1 to 1 and it is not 0. So how will we do? We'll see sin x is between 1 to minus 1. Sin x minus 2 is minus 1 to minus 3. If we square sin x minus 2, it will come out to be minus 1 whole square to 3 square, which is 9. So when you add 3 plus sin x minus 2 whole square, we'll get it from 4 to 12. So this is mean, this is max. Second number, we have 9 cos square x plus 24 sin 2x. If you see, it is sin 2x, and here it is 5. Sin 2x should be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 minus 2. This is 9, 1 plus cos 2x by 2, and this is 24 sin 2x. And if we expand this, this is nothing but minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 cos 2x minus 2. This is 9 by 2. This is 9 by 2 cos 2x plus 24 sin 2x minus 9 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 is 9 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 cos 2x minus 9 by 2 and plus 9 by 2 cancel. 9 plus 4 14, 7 cos 2x plus 24 sin 2x. So if it is like A cos theta plus B sin theta, the range is from minus root under A square plus B square to root under A square plus B square. If you substitute, it is minus 25. 24 whole square plus 7 whole square is 625. So root under is 25 to 25. Okay. Okay. Going to third number. Going to question number third. We have very basic question. We have 2 sin theta plus pi by 6 plus root 3 cos theta minus pi by 6. Okay, if we expand this is to sin theta cos pi by 6 plus cos theta sin pi by 6 plus root 3 cos theta cos pi by 6 plus sin theta sin pi by 6, which is 2 sin theta cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos theta sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus root 3 cos theta cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 plus sin theta sin 30 is 1 by 2. This is 2 root 3 by 2. If we expand it, it is root 3 sin theta plus cos theta plus 3 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta. If we add sin theta term, we are going to get sin theta 3 root 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 cos theta. Now if we know that if we have a sin theta plus b cos theta, the range will be from minus root under a square plus b square to root under a square plus b square. This implies range is from minus root under 3 root 3 by 2. First we'll do a square plus b square. It is root 27 by 4 plus 25 by 4, which is 30. So root 30 to root 30. This is the answer. Now we are on type 3. Type 3 of inequalities. Inequality meaning finding the range. It is making use of reciprocal relationship relationship between tan and cot sine cosec and cos sec. Okay, cos sec. Taking one question, I am taking one question. This may be the last question of the day. Yes. If y equal to a square tan square x plus b square cot square x, then minimum value of y. First step we'll do like this. We have y, we'll do a tan x whole square plus b cot x whole square, a square plus b square. We'll do minus 2a into b. So we'll do minus a into b plus tan x cot x, you can say 2ab. We did it. Now this is a tan x minus b cot x whole square plus 2ab. So y minimum is when the square term is 0 and we have 2ab, which is 2ab. Okay, so x value will come out to be root under b by a plus minus. How we got a tan x is equal to b cot x, will get tan x equal to b by a whole divided by tan x, will imply further tan square x is equal to b by a, implies tan x is plus minus root under b by a. Okay, got it. We should have taken one more example. We should have taken one more example. Okay, one example could be from AMGM equality. Okay, one is miscellaneous problem we should be taking. Okay, so I will take it. I am taking this question, miscellaneous question. So one is miscellaneous question. I will be taking. Okay, I will be taking. Miscellaneous. Okay. So question is, if x square plus y square is equal to 4 and a square plus b square is equal to 8, find minimum and maximum value of ax plus by. Solution. So what can we consider? That we can consider, first we can go with AMGM inequality. Okay, can we say that x square plus y square, one term, plus second square plus third square as second term? So we should be knowing that we have one identity: arithmetic mean is bigger than equal to geometric mean. So this is bigger than equal to x square plus y square into a square plus b square to the power 1 by 2. Okay, this is, we will study in sequential series, but for now we will skip this one. What we have thought is we will take late x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So x square plus y square is equal to 4. So we are getting r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to 4. We'll get r equal to plus minus 2. If we take r as positive, it is also okay. So now a into x. A into x is what? X is equal to plus minus 2 cos theta. Y is equal to plus minus 2 sin theta. So ax is plus minus 2 a cos theta plus minus 2 2a sin theta. Okay, it is 2b. So we know that it is plus minus 2 and we are left with a cos theta plus b sin theta. And we know that this range is nothing but plus 2 plus minus 2 minus root under a square plus b square to root under a square plus b square, which you can further tell that if it is minus 2 a square plus b square root under is 2 root 2 to 4 root 2. This is the answer. So I think we are done with the this week. Our next class will be based on trigonometry equation. We will proceed with trigonometry equation and then trigonometry inequalities, and then that's all. We are left